up, y'all? It's your girl Day, and I'm back with another video. First of all, this lighting is trash. Let's see. Okay, here we go. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Day, and I'm back with another video. And I know y'all probably wondering, girl, where have you been? I've been living life. It's been a lot going on. We done started school. I've been working. Plus, I'm in the process of moving. Like, these just my shoes. I had to do literally a whole load just for my shoes. And I'm finna be headed to the house now. I'm at the gas station. Got to fill the tank up because where we moving is so far from where I live right now. It's like, I would say a 35-minute drive from where I live now. 40 minutes away from where I live now. So today I'm finna go around and show y'all the house first, and then I'm gonna start moving my stuff in. So yeah, stay tuned. See y'all in a few. This is the very first load that I'm taking to the house, and I'm already tired. But luckily for y'all, y'all get to see an unfurnished house tour, and y'all gonna see a furnished house tour once I'm finally finished moving in and everything. But y'all, when I say this house fire, y'all gonna see. I actually just made it to the house, and I'm finna go in and everything. Of course, we gonna clean up and deep clean everything before we get settled in. And hopefully y'all like it. I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek in the thumbnail of the outside, and then y'all gonna see the inside when y'all keep watching the video. So guys, we're in the house. We want to start the tour by looking upstairs. Alright, so we're gonna start off first. It's just a room right here. This is a bedroom. They have very nice sized closets. We're gonna keep it moving. This is a restroom. Very nice, and it has the really cute sinks. It has the kind that like pours similar to a fountain. Here it is, and it's pretty dark because we literally just got the key today, so we haven't got the lights turned on. This is another bedroom. The first one that I showed y'all is my sister's room, and then this one right here with the double closets, this is gonna be my other sister's rooms. They're twins, so you know how that goes. We're gonna keep it moving. Right here, it's just a closet, random storage for all the bathroom stuff. And right here, you can look over and see downstairs. Then this one is my room. It's right here. Has a nice size closet, just like the other one. And I got plenty of clothes, so I'm really loving this closet because I'm gonna have so much stuff in here. Then, what's out here? You can see the front of the house out this window, so I'm not gonna show y'all out there so y'all can't see our address and stuff. And keep the tour moving. Right here, some behind this door, but I'm not gonna show y'all yet. It's gonna be a surprise. We finna move downstairs, and y'all can see some more of this house. You can see the window has this stained glass, and it's so pretty, especially when the sun's shining through it. I'm gonna keep it pushing. We got the hard floor, very cute. It's a very large window at the front, so you know the natural light gonna be hidden. And this is a room right here. Continue moving. This just separates the rooms. This is the den. Very nice. The TV is actually still here, which is good because free TV. Who doesn't love that? We love to see it. Let's keep it moving. Another closet, just a random storage closet, I guess, in the hall. This is the master bedroom. It already has the TV mount on the wall. And then this is the room. This is the bathroom. Moving into here. It's another closet. Plenty of storage space. That's one of the really good things about this house. Behind this door is the toilet. You have a lot of privacy, so you can do what you want to do up in there. Keep it moving. It's a bathtub. It has the jacuzzi jets. It has the jacuzzi jets and it's marble. Then this right here is the shower. And it's marble just like the bathtub. And this is the front of the house again, y'all. We just got here, so I really don't know what I'm expecting to see out the windows. And then this is the manatee. There's me. I need to get myself together. But this is not about me right now. And you can see it's the double vanity with the sinks and stuff. And it also has the light fixtures. And through here, it's the walk-in closet. Let me see. Y'all can see. Yeah. It's nice. Keep it moving to the rest of the house. Y'all, I'm really tired and I need to hurry up so I can start moving stuff in here from my car. Okay, so keep it moving. We're gonna come through here. This is another closet. This is the...
Yes, it is!
Okay, she has a problem. Can you get out of the closet so they can see? Because why would you be in there? Okay, you need to get yourself together. So as y'all can see, my mama clearly played too much. But this is the pantry. I don't know why she was in there, but I was just trying to show y'all what it looked like. Weird, okay? Then we have a refrigerator. It's the little automatic or whatever you want to call it. You can see the little cabinets. The natural lighting in here is really good considering that the light's not on. And my mama, she in the process of cleaning. And then you got to sanitize, especially during Corona. Then we're gonna keep it moving. Let's do this door. This the garage. Oh, yeah. This is just the garage. Very dark. Can't see none. Y'all can see that on another day. When I watch this video, they probably gonna be like, she sounds so unenthusiastic. But I don't know, I'm tired. So we're gonna keep it moving. Here's another bathroom. Let me see, I could probably get y'all a little light up in here. Let me finesse some real quick. Okay, here it is, here it is. See, that's the fountain style sinks that I was talking about. And this is just a half bath. It's downstairs on the first floor for guests, so they won't have to go into the master bathroom. Then here's another room right here. This is the laundry room for the washer, dryer, all of that. Mom, there's some bleach in here if you want it.
Oh, okay.
You want it?
Not right now. She's still.
We're gonna come through here now. And you can see this is the open bar concept. It's a very open space. This is the kitchen you can see right here. Then right here, this is the breakfast room, whatever you want to call it. We call it breakfast room though. Very big windows, a lot of natural lighting. Let's see what this lighting hitting on. Let me open the blinds. Okay, let's see. Oh, this lighting fire, so just know y'all gonna see me recording right here a lot, and you can also see a sneak peek of the other part of the room. It's really two separate rooms. We don't know what we're gonna turn this into, possibly a game room or something, or either for the room in the front. So either that'll be a game room or the other one will be a game room. But yeah, as you can see, this lighting is it, and it's not even a sunny day, so imagine how it'll look on a day when it's sunny. When you see this part, the breakfast room, and we're gonna turn, it's another TV that's still on the wall, and we have another fireplace, and this is the part that I was talking about. We'll probably get turned into a game room. And in this house, we actually have like downstairs 2 areas for TVs. It's this one right here with a fireplace that's across from the kitchen. And then moving in here in the den, it's also another fireplace and another TV. And then the good thing is, from upstairs, you can look over and you can see everything down here. And let me go up and give y'all another view. Well, no, I actually showed y'all. You can look up over from both sides. You can see the front door, and you can also see down on the den. Okay, so we're finna keep it moving. I'm gonna show y'all outside. This mat right here, but we're gonna get another one. It's just what was left. And the landscaping is very nice. It's a bug. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's a butterfly. So cute. Okay, it flew away. You can see the landscaping and everything. Very nice. We're gonna keep it pushing. Let me give y'all a view of the house. I'm gonna put it in the thumbnail though, so y'all can really see. Make sure I don't get the address up in it. Whew. Can I get all this in the camera? Okay, I can't get the whole house inside of the frame. Yes, I can. There we go. Okay, so this is the house. We're gonna walk around. We're gonna do a full circle. So I'm gonna go to the garage, and then I'm gonna come back through the back so y'all can see the other part. Make sure I get the address in there. Then this is the garage. And I really don't like grass, especially when I get on sandals, but for y'all gonna see. So some play equipment that's in the background. My sister's too big, but they claim they still gonna get out here, so we gonna see whatever they gonna do with this. Them kids crazy. Then this is just the back door. This is actually the window that I had open when I was talking about how far the lighting was. Did I get all of this? I can't. Okay, and this is the back of the house. And y'all remember when I told y'all it was a part up there that I wasn't gonna show y'all, I was gonna save it for a surprise? I believe that is this half of the house right here. All that top half, I didn't show y'all none of that. Y'all gonna see that one day. And y'all don't play with us, cause period, what we got? Cameras. Let me focus it so y'all can see. We got cameras all around the house, so don't try none, won't be none. And then now we are back at the front. So let me get y'all in here. So as y'all can see, I just gave y'all a tour of the new house, and y'all, I'm telling y'all, when it's gonna be furnished, it's gonna be fine. Cause I know I'm the type of person, when I look at a house and it's not really any furniture, it don't just have that oomph to it. But once it's get furnished, y'all, it's gonna be fine. So stay tuned and just be waiting, cause it's gonna be a fully furnished tour coming very soon. So stay tuned and y'all gonna see. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell down below for post notifications, and I'm definitely gonna start being more active. And I love y'all. Bye.